really excited. We've got 2 new trucks out here at the 2026 Parker 400. Couldn't be more excited. We've got maxxis tires on board this year, so we've done extensive testing with maxxis, and you know they are a great partner and they've really stepped up. The camburg kinetic trucks are great. You know, we've got a few hundred miles in them, so we're still really learning the trucks. At the end of the day, you know, our goal is to, you know, to finish, do as good as we can, keep the tires on the trucks, and we want to do good in the points championship.
Had some good luck here in Parker. We've won this race in Class 1 a couple times, and I think it's a really fun course. It's a really challenging course. It has a little bit of everything.
Whole thing went decent. I didn't think we really made any mistakes. We were all super close, so anything can happen. We're just ready to have a smooth, calculated day. We put a lot of work into this truck in 27 days to go out and make a dumb mistake early, so we just want to get there to the finish and have a good day.
right now, extremely happy with the maxxis tires. They both went 126 miles. Everything on the tire looks great. Very happy with the performance so far. So looking forward to see what happens the second lap around.
Right off the bat, it looks like a rock hit a brake line and took it fitting off, and Travis about 30 miles ago. Travis was making a great time. CJ, of course, was just being patient. They had no brakes the whole time, but still a long race. Still got, what, 300 miles to go.
It was really nice not changing the tire. They really held up really well. They did really good. We were scooting, man. We were running down. We caught the first guy in the wash. We put a minute on a guy by the end of the wash. And then we collected 2 trucks that were right up on each other. Then we had a minute and a half of clean air.
That was absolutely wild. We drove basically the entire last lap with absolutely no brakes. Everything we could to get here. These guys worked so hard. This whole team put in so much time and effort and energy in building this truck and just getting it to the race. We were going to do everything we could possibly do to try to get this finished. So I'm super happy we made it.
It was a fun race. I mean, we had a ball. You guys kicked ass, you know. Jeff, Luke, Andrew, Mason, Bryce, you know, did all the welding. I mean, if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't even be here. So, you know, hats off to those guys.